Bayou Boys. I'm Boudreaux.
And I'm Thibodeau. And there's three things that we love doing: eating boudin, eating crawfish, and watching WGS-TV.
WGS-TV, Gulf Coast Wrestling, where the bad boys play.
Switchblade.
Here comes Switchblade. Switchblade making his debut here in GCW. A former UWO champion. Wrestles a lot over in FTW. Heard a lot about this guy. This is my first opportunity getting to see him. This should be very interesting to say the least. Halfbreed. Here he is, Halfbreed. Wrestled a lot with Mid-South back in the day. Man known as Halfbreed is here. Heard a lot about Halfbreed from Ashton Spears, and well, there's G-Money. G-Money bringing out another one of his prospects out here. Here's Victor Morbius, another prospect from FTW. Spoke to this guy earlier today. He is a huge fan of the man known as Sting, the Icon. Decided to pattern himself after the legendary Hall of Famer from TNA.
From Alabama, Louisiana, weighing 260 pounds.
Here comes the Insane Machine, former Zero Gravity champion, Cody Hawkinz.
Make some noise, David Bell!
Winning the last man of this tag team.
And the final man at the end of this match, all the way from Houma, Louisiana, weighing 213 pounds.
Oh man! Mid-South legend, Big Joe is here! I've heard stories about the wars Big Joe and Halfbreed have had in the past. And Switchblade, they've had some encounters. Switchblade and Halfbreed don't look too happy at all to see the Mid-South legend, Big Joe, here. And G-Money not happy at all over the fact that Big Joe is here.
You don't have to do that. Nobody told me that we were going to have to fight people from the old folks home tonight. We're not going to do this. Oh man, go back to the old folks home. We ain't beating up on old people now. Hey, Pillsbury Doughboy.
Whoa.
Nobody asked for your comments. You see the three chunks you got? Be prepared. Be prepared. Yes, be well prepared. Hey, the only thing you got smell coming out your mouth is the same thing from all the rest of the people in Alabama. A bunch of funky smell. You stink when you go take a bath. You know where it smells really well? Because you the only one full of hot air, so it's coming directly out of your mouth. When you don't holler too much, your teeth gonna fly out your mouth.
Well, that was a most interesting exchange right there by G-Money and Big Joe. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is an elimination style match. We're basically going to be determining a new DVD champion. It'll be one of these 6 men you see here. And here we go, Cody Hawkinz starting off against Switchblade. Again, Switchblade wrestles a lot over in Texas and here in Louisiana, former UWO heavyweight champion. Now just trying to power out. Oh my God, that could dislocate an elbow joint just like that. And Switchblade now going to work on Cody Hawkinz, the former Zero Gravity champion, into a hammerlock. Cody Hawkinz trying to find some way to get out of it. Oh, nice reversal there by the former Zero Gravity champion. And what a look of astonishment right there by Switchblade. He can't believe Cody Hawkinz got out of that. What a maneuver there by Cody Hawkinz. And Switchblade, what hair? What hair? What hair? There we go, another collar elbow tie-up. Both men trying to jockey for position, and Cody Hawkinz with a big right hand. And another one floors Switchblade. And Switchblade retreats to his corner. Switchblade doesn't seem to know what to do with the former Zero Gravity champion until that. Shoots him into the ropes. And, oh, there's a spine buster. And he kicked out. Switchblade has put away a lot of his opponents with that spine buster. From what I've been told. And now Switchblade seems to be measuring. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, my God. What a shot right there. Oh, man. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that just fired up Hawkinz. Oh, my God. What a shot. Oh, man. He lights him up again. Hawkinz showing him how to chop. Nice suplex by the Insane Machine. Goes for the cover on Switchblade. And it was broken up by Cash, Big Cash, if I'm reading his tights correctly. Oh, Hawkinz Hawkinz might be going for the third degree. Switchblade trying to put him up. That might have been the chopping block. That was the chopping block, and that was it. And oh, if I was a Switchblade, I would turn around. I would turn around right now. You know, in fact, don't turn around because you ain't going to like the view. Big right hand by Big Joe, and I believe Switchblade might be out. I thought he might have been out. But man, what a right hand. Big Joe, the master of the heart punch. Just half-breed. Seriously half-breed. Switchblade. Again, a new DVD champion will be crowned in this match. Cody Hawkinz, unfortunately, on the. Pretty sure he'll have a lot to say a little bit later about this. Switchblade want nothing to do with Big Joe. And there's another shot in. Good night, Switchblade. What a shot by Big Joe. Mid-South legend. There's no one that can deliver the heart punch better than Big Joe. And look at that nice sidewalk slam by Big Joe. Switchblade about 240 and 250, and Big Joe just made it look easy. There's the heart punch. There's the heart punch. It's over for Switchblade. Goodbye. One heart punch later, Switchblade is out of here. Now we're left with Victor Morbius, Big Joe, Halfbreed, and this youngster, Big Cash, and a Halfbreed, not too happy. It's got to get in the ring, and here comes the youngster, Victor Morbius. A huge Sting fan and also a huge comic book fan. Halfbreed don't know what to make of Victor Morbius here. But Halfbreed, another veteran in the ring from Mid-South. Here we go, collar elbow tie-up. And now an arm ringer by Halfbreed on Morbius. Pounds right on the shoulder joint in again to try to dislocate that shoulder. I'm pretty sure Halfbreed would be happy if he would have torn that arm. And now Morbius reversing it on Halfbreed. Not once but twice. It's going to go for the third one, and down goes Halfbreed. Morbius just taking it to Halfbreed. Working on that left arm. In a key lock. Again, ladies and gentlemen, a new... Well, I believe we do have a time limit, I believe. We're supposed to have a new DVD champion that's supposed to be crowned in this elimination match. Morbius just wrenching on that left arm of Halfbreed. Almost trying to tear his arm right out of the socket. And now into an armbar. Victor Morbius showing that not only is he a fan of Sting, but he can wrestle until that one. Shortcut by Halfbreed. And being a veteran of this sport, he knows all of them. Sends him into the top turnbuckle, and Halfbreed just burying the shoulder right in the midsection. And G-Money with an illegal assist right in front of the referee. I think G-Money should know better. And a shot right to the midsection. Give me a break. Because G-Money trying to protect his investment here. And a Halfbreed almost with a shot and a double team effort by Halfbreed. And Cash. Referee breaking it up. And Halfbreed tags in Cash. And here we go, Cash going to work on Victor Morbius, two youngsters here in the ring. Both men making their GCW debuts here tonight. Cash sends him into the ropes, and a big lariat by Cash sends him down. Cash goes in for the cover on Morbius. Morbius kicks out. I got our hands to that kid, Victor Morbius, being able to kick out of that vicious lariat by Cash. Cash now tags back in Halfbreed. Halfbreed, they seem to be going after the left arm of Morbius. He's in a lot of trouble. Back elbow, nicely done by the veteran Halfbreed. Halfbreed seems to be setting him up here. He's got that left arm, and he, I believe that's a sleeper hold. Yeah, it's a sleeper hold. I think Morbius might be out. That arm goes down again. It's over. No, did it go down? Oh, what? Morbius is out. Morbius is out. It's over. Morbius is out. What a... That was a unique version of a sleeper hold by Halfbreed. That leaves Big Joe by himself in this elimination tag match. I'm going to give it to Victor Morbius. What a hell of an outing for his debut here in GCW. Now I'm going to talk about two men who know each other well. That's Halfbreed and Big Joe. And look at the strength of Big Joe. Halfbreed reverses. Now Big Joe reverses. Apparently Cash is getting into it with a fan here at ringside. Oh, Halfbreed not too happy to be in the ring with Big Joe. And Big Joe caught Cash sleeping. You gotta pay attention to what's going on in the ring, even if you're on the ring apron, especially with a legend like Big Joe. Here we go, collar and elbow tie-up. Once again by Halfbreed and Big Joe. And Big Joe once again backing Halfbreed into the ropes and now shoots him into the ropes. Wham! Man! What a shot! What a lariat by Big Joe. And now Big Joe applying his tricks of the trade. Kind of goading Cash into the ring. There's a shot right to the head of Halfbreed, and he's got to be out after that. There's a kick out. And Big Joe, again, he is a veteran of the sport. He knows all the tricks of the trade, as does Halfbreed. Big Joe giving Halfbreed a little taste of his own medicine. But Big Joe and G-Money, they have no like for each other whatsoever. And Halfbreed on the outside just, well, look of bewilderment. I think he wants nothing to do with Big Joe, and Big Joe very confident in his own abilities. He has got every right to be. And Big Joe, one of those rare mistakes, allowed himself to be goaded in by Halfbreed. Halfbreed hung him out to dry on the top rope. Big Joe now in trouble. Oh, behind the referee's black, a low blow on the Big Joe. And now Halfbreed, now with the blatant choke. Referee finally caught it. And again with another blatant choke by Halfbreed. Fans here in Abbeville behind Big Joe. He's going to need their support. He is in a world of trouble in the ring with Halfbreed. Now into a reverse chinlock. Almost a sleeper hold into a side headlock. Halfbreed making Joe try to carry all that weight. There's a jawbreaker, a modified jawbreaker by Big Joe. Big Joe gonna know every trick in the book, every move, and every counter for that certain maneuver. Apparently, Big Joe just knew the right counter for that. Oh, there it is. That's the heart punch. The heart punch on Halfbreed. Halfbreed is out, and Halfbreed is gone. Well, that leaves Mr. Cash and Big Joe. And Mr. Cash not too happy about the fact that he's got to get in the ring one-on-one with Mid-South legend Big Joe. And here we go. Cash a little bit tentative to lock up with Cash Mike, I believe is what Tyke say. So I believe his name is Cash Mike. Oh, what a shot. With Big Joe and Cash Money or Cash Mike. This is a clothesline, but doesn't miss that big shoulder block. Buried right into the ribs of Cash Mike here. G-Money's investments so far not paying off for him tonight. Oh, wait a minute, Big Joe now being caught here. Cash Mike just, again, a little bit of shades of rugged Ronnie Garvin with those stomps on every body part of Big Joe. Cash Money Mike. Oh, and a shot right to the midsection. Joe in a lot of trouble with Cash Money Mike. Oh, wait a minute. Big Joe firing back here. He's got that deadly right hand. But now Cash Money Mike responding with some clubbing blows and a right hand to Big Joe. And Big Joe, okay, that is a wrong thing to do against Big Joe. And even G-Money knows, oh man, you don't do that to Big Joe. Because the only thing you did was fire him up. Shoots him into the turnbuckle. Oh my God. Cash Money gonna need a deposit. Because I think he just went bankrupt. G-Money on the ring. Wait a minute. G-Money just tossed something to Cash Money Mike. G-Money just tossed something to Cash Money Mike, and he hit Big Joe right in the face with it. Oh, not this way. Not this way. Cash Money Mike and G-Money stealing this tonight. The fans are trying to tell the referee about what happened. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah, right, G-Money, whatever. I wouldn't call G-Money to testify for me in court. But Big Joe got robbed tonight. Basically, highway robbery.
I'm pretty sure Big Joe should have won that match. for you. Big Joe, Big Joe, Big Joe, Big Joe, Big Joe. All right, man, still going on tonight. Y'all ready for that third match? This match will be for the
Stoke Hawkinz. Stoke Hawkinz. Stoke Hawkinz. Stoke Hawkinz. Spiritual speaking. Stoke Hawkinz. Stoke Hawkinz. I'm Haley, Ring Rose, Ring Rose, Ring Rose, Ring Rose, Ring Rose, Ring Rose. Stoke Hawkinz.
My name's Andrew Weatherall.
Spiritual speaking. Stoke Hawkinz.